This is a tutorial on how to add Riftopia as a window capture in OBS. So currently Riftopia is in the browser, and a lot of people do not want to have the top bar or the black bars on the side. So in OBS you can click here, the little plus sign, and it will come up with this. Add a window capture, and I'm just going to call it Riftopia tutorial because I already have one in here and spelled tutorial wrong. So you would want to select the window to capture. In my case it is chrome.exe Riftopia dash Google Chrome, because I'm using Google Chrome for this. And we'll click OK. Clicking the Alt key will allow you to crop it down, and you can do this to any side to get it to the exact spot that you want it to be. There is numbers over here, so like if you don't have a perfect 16 to 9 ratio, you can adjust it. So for like example, if I wanted to get it more center, I can use the arrow keys to move it around. Or if you have like an overlay and stuff that you want it to be in, like you want it in a certain corner and have stuff around it, you can use those arrow keys to move it around. But that's how you add Riftopia to OBS.